a cheater. That's not fair.
At least if I die, there'll be footage.
And by no surprise, Adam hasn't showed up yet. We told him 10:30 we were going to start messing with the track. And we've been out here for a little bit. We even started late. 11:24. We came out at like 11. He hasn't even left his house yet. So, welcome back, Adam.
He'll be here at like 1:30.
1:30.
I think so.
That's 2 full hours. I don't even know if he's got that. I'm gonna go 2. I don't have faith in him. I'm really going 2.
He's gonna eat his breakfast, and he's gonna make some smoothies, and he's gotta get his stuff together, and then he'll show up with his coffee.
Dude, hello. He has a lunchbox now.
Oh no, this is Sarah's. We're fully prepped.
First day ever, we were running our mouths on camera,
and
you showed up not late.
You caught me off guard. The real one's down.
Fully loaded too.
Oh my.
He does have the coffee.
It's not a Stewart's cup.
No.
Really cool.
No, I finally actually got this cup because I drink so much. Let's go. What are we waiting for?
One day, watched a fight between a Aussie couple escalate. Strawberry cheeks flushed with defeated rage. Then he spilled his coffee as he frantically explained. Maybe if you took a breath, you would hear me when I talk to you. Threw her necklace in his face, eyes so bright with disappointment. Saw something inside her break. Everybody knows the feeling. Suddenly he started screaming.
That sky. You're kidding. That black like sky does so good.
With the hand of her skirt as she ran, panicking and weaving through the crowds on Oxford Street. Watched his world dissolve in his hands. Tried to roll again and put his head between his knees.
Sea bouncing is so not efficient off of that. I'm sure you have a clip where you just sit and do it. It's a brr, brr, brr.
Do that one again. I didn't get it.
You're gonna try it, man. My God.
I'm the worst when the camera comes out.
Oh. Get some, Scotty.
Big Scott.
Oh, I thought he was gonna do it.